There are many products available to choose. Best kitchen gadgets make everything easy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read dozens of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Ronco Handi Slicer. Quick, safe, and precise food slicing made easy. Upgrade your kitchen prep experience with the Ronco Handi Slicer, the ultimate slicing tool designed for speed, safety, and simplicity. Whether you're slicing fruits for a snack, prepping veggies for dinner, or garnishing a gourmet meal, the Ronco Handi Slicer helps you achieve consistent, professional-grade cuts every time, all without the hassle of bulky equipment or complicated setups. Ideal for busy home cooks, health-conscious individuals, and anyone who values time-saving tools, this compact slicer is perfect for daily use and small enough to store anywhere. With its smart design and precision blade system, you'll be slicing like a pro in seconds. Key features: white heavy checkmark, compact and ergonomic design, lightweight and easy to handle. The Ronco Handi Slicer features a slim, space-saving design that fits perfectly in any kitchen drawer or cabinet. Its non-slip grip ensures steady handling, reducing the risk of slips and injuries. White heavy checkmark, precision stainless steel blades. Equipped with ultra-sharp, stainless steel blades, this slicer cuts through fruits, vegetables, cheeses, and more with minimal effort. The blades stay sharp over time and resist rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. White heavy checkmark, built-in food safety holder. Say goodbye to accidental nicks and cuts. The integrated finger guard and safety food holder keep your hands safely away. Perfectly even banana slices. Enjoy effortlessly uniform banana slices every time. This easy-to-use banana cutter slicer quickly prepares fruit for snacks, salads, desserts, and smoothies in seconds. Safe and fun for all ages. Designed with a comfortable grip and stainless steel blades, this banana slicer kitchen gadget is safe for kids, adults, and seniors to use with ease. Durable and long-lasting. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this banana slicer cutter resists rust and wear, ensuring it remains a reliable kitchen tool for years of quick fruit prep. Quick and easy cleanup. Spend less time cleaning. This dishwasher-safe slicer is easy to rinse and maintain, making kitchen tasks faster and hassle-free. Compact and travel-friendly, lightweight and easy to store, which is perfect for home kitchens, meal prep, picnics, and on-the-go fruit slicing. Durable stainless steel blades built to last. The high-quality stainless steel blades resist rust and dulling over time, ensuring years of reliable use. White heavy checkmark, ergonomic, non-slip handle. The comfortable grip handle makes slicing bananas effortless, no slipping, straining, or twisting. White heavy checkmark, quick and easy cleanup. Spend less time cleaning up. Simply rinse under running water or toss the slicer in the dishwasher. It's completely dishwasher safe. White heavy checkmark, lightweight and compact, slim, portable design means it fits easily into any kitchen drawer or utensil organizer. Take it on the go for camping, school lunches, or road trips. White heavy checkmark, multi-use versatility. While it's perfect for bananas, it's also suitable for slicing soft fruits like strawberries, kiwis, mushrooms, and more. Peel the banana. Remove the peel and place the banana on a flat, clean surface or directly in a bowl. Align the slicer. Hold the Guyuyii banana slicer by the handle and position the cutting section over the banana. Press to slice. Gently press down in one smooth motion. The slicer cuts through the banana instantly, creating even, bite-sized slices. Serve or store. Add your freshly sliced banana to cereal, yogurt, smoothies, or containers for on-the-go snacks. Healthy snacks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.